Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can create a super simple filter only with the Instagram application. You can turn your picture easily into black and white with Instagram. How to do that? You just need to open your Instagram application. Now swipe your screen to the right side, and then you just have to pick the picture that you want to use for your status right here. Let's say I would like to use this for my status, and now if you want to have the black and white, or turn this into the black and white, you can just go tap into this filter, and then you just need to find the black and white filter that already provided by the Instagram itself. But then if you don't have this type of filter, you just need to go click back. Don't worry, you just need to swipe your screen right here into the right side, and they will be give you a lot of filters that is provided by the Instagram itself. It's only the default filters by Instagram, so you can just find the best filters that you want to have. If you want to have black and white, make sure that you only get the Tokyo one. It could be second swipe on your screen. So right after you satisfied with the result, if you want to save it, tap into the trace model and go click save, and you are totally done. You already got this picture into your photo library. You can just check. See, this is quite simple and easy. So if you still have some question, drop into the comment section, and don't forget to click into the thumbs up button, and let's meet again into other tutorial.